Flower tree that blooms like amethyst. It can live for hundreds of years. Flowers bloom all over the tree, like purple butterflies, that is Circeus chinensis, which only shows flowers but no leaves. Keeping it at home means purple energy coming from the east. Prosperous home and family. It will not die from a 40-degree heat in summer, and can live even in winter with temperatures as low as 20 degrees Celsius. It can be grown well anywhere, and it also exudes a strong floral fragrance. The flowering period lasts for more than 200 days, and can live for hundreds of years. The more flowers bloom, throw it into the ground. A sea of golden flowers will bloom. Rich floral fragrance. It is marigold. Keeping it at home can attract wealth. The meaning of health and longevity. You can plant a whole flower garden for just a few dollars. It lives in soil if there is a gap. It will bloom, can be planted in pots or soil. Flowering period from spring to autumn. Can be planted all year round. After the flower blooms, it also produces seeds. The seeds that fall will germinate and bloom again.